Caseware Audit Software Review 2025 Best Audit Software for SPA Firms. Most people get audit software wrong by assuming spreadsheets are enough for compliance. In 2025, Caseware is a leading solution for SPA firms. Caseware automates the audit process, including risk assessment, trial balance, and financial statement preparation. You won't believe what happens next. It allows real-time collaboration among audit teams, reducing errors and streamlining review cycles. The platform integrates with Excel, QuickBooks, and other accounting systems, making data import seamless. The surprising truth is that Caseware also includes built-in templates and regulatory updates, ensuring audits meet current standards. For firms handling multiple clients, this feature saves significant time and ensures consistency across engagements. In conclusion, Caseware in 2025 is an excellent choice for SPA firms looking to improve audit efficiency, accuracy, and compliance. While it requires some training, the benefits of automation, collaboration, and standardized processes make it a worthwhile investment for firms serious about professional auditing.